Hello and welcome to the part 2 of Just a Kurta. Now this one is going to be about all beautiful silk fabrics, but of course if it's neat, there's always going to be a little bit zing to it. Now that's this dupatta that we are showcasing to you. Yes, this beautiful silk dupatta now available in beautiful new colors, which I'm going to be showing you. Now you can see this very unique, wonderful design in black. This peach, the Sona Rupa is all things lovely. What I'm wearing is also Katan silk kurta in this whitish shade, which is like more like an ivory, which is just going to be perfect for so many dupattas that you can be wearing. अब आज के जो ये सारे fabrics जो मैं दिखा रही हूँ आपको, तो we've just finished one live which was all about chanderis and premium cottons and just lovely options for you to pick up any ones for, or more than one in fact, for your kurtas. Now this is the second one where we are going to be doing a little more on silk. Remember, these are the last live of the week. We've shown you all that we wanted to show you, and now will be the time for you to kind of go and pick up and make your final choices for the ones that you like. Now this beautiful dupatta, you can just take a screenshot. The base is in black, but I do have some lovely colors. Now the way I had draped it, if you saw that, that was the Neve hack of wearing a lovely dupatta, and especially for those who worry about wearing a broad beautiful dupatta कि मैं उसको कैसे manage करूँगी. This is the way how you're going to be managing it. What an amazing color. Look at that. This is your next color. So very beautiful. I think it looks wonderful with this fabric that I'm wearing. Can I just show the fabric that I'm wearing, which is 5,800 per meter and comes out to be 14,500, and it's all gold zari, this very light gold zari, basically with which everything is going to look amazing, but particularly so this dupatta. Now look at that, it's so pretty in this newest color. It's a shade of pink. I think it looks fabulous. For the prices, for the details, do ask us. Remember that कैश ऑन डिलीवरी पूरे इंडिया में अवेलेबल है. उसकी एक ही रिक्वायरमेंट है हमारी, which is that you will give us a token amount, some amount of it, which can be 10 to 15%, and the balance will be paid in cash when the courier person brings your package. Okay, so that was black, and then there was pink, and then this is a fabulous red. Now red, it's anything like a usual red. It's the very detailed, beautiful design, and this is in fact, a lot of this inspiration for this design is from the Tibetan designs that you see, gazers and the weaves that we make in fact for them. So now look at that, this very wonderful Sona Rupa Meenakari Fekwa work dupatta, I think, which is absolutely stunning, and the very last color in it, and I'm telling you, it's going to be a really tough one for you to pick up. But मेरा ये कहना है कि जो भी आपको अच्छा लगे आप screenshot लें and WhatsApp पे आए. Now this one you will see, I started with a black. This is actually a blue, and a very beautiful blue. In fact, it's a midnight blue kind of a shade. Look at that, really fabulous. I think the entire whole look with the gold, with the black, with this just peach tone, it's amazing. Yes, we can do, base color fabrics, we can do contrasting, that's possible, but for now this very unique dupatta, jisko agar aapko order karna hai, you have to come on WhatsApp and place your order. So there you go, that's one. Now very quick glimpse again of the fabric that I'm wearing, this one, and this is going to be 14,500 for 2.5 meter. Aaj ka jo theme hai wo just kurtes ka theme hai, which means that I'm going to be showing you all of these fabulous fabric, just for kurtas, which are going to be unique looks. This is also the same range as what I'm wearing, which is going to be 14,500, and you're going to be seeing two color options. So they are great for, look at that. This is, they're great to wear as a high neck, zero neck. You wear a nice smart kurta, and that will look amazing with it. And this one is the second color of it. Now there you go, here it is. So this is again 5,800 per meter, both the green and this. Now what is this color? This is a lovely shade of brown. What I'm wearing is also the same range. So Katan silk pure kurta fabrics, 2.5 meter for this range. And what I'm doing is showing you so many different kinds, all. Now again, 14,500 for this. So yeah, it's a great idea in fact to show you कि एक range में आपको क्या आएगा. This is all that range. 14,500 for 2.5 meter. If you want to go for more, sure, if it's available. Now this is a very beautiful karwa delicate work that makes it really, really nice. Another option. Now this, the same design in this another option, and we are on the same price point right now, which makes it so irresistible. You know, so this is absolutely wonderful. All of the same price, 5,800 per meter. Sorry, and 14,500 for, you know, the 2.5 meter kurta. Now what I'm wearing, see, for my bottom, जो पहले का live था उसमें मैंने यही बोला था that when you have a pair of Munga plain bottom or a Chanderi white off-white bottom, the looks in Munga, in Chanderi, in premium cotton can all be covered. Now when you are here, you're going to be doing base color bottoms क्योंकि उससे इसकी जो looks है, they will just kind of elevate. Now look at this. This is the most beautiful Jamewar fabric, and this is also 14,500. So this is also 14,500 for 2.5 meter. So we are still on the 5,800 per meter वाला जो range है, हम उसी पे हैं. आप देख सकते हैं this very beautiful fabrics. All of these wonderful fabrics, 5,800 per meter. Okay, I'll show you one. अच्छा, ये जो जामेवार है, इनका तो जो look आता है, now you just see what a wonderful formal. It's such a brilliant weave that we make. Now look at that. Here it is completely plain. This one hot look and you're done. And honestly, yes, dupattas look great and we have a range of them. You can always combine them. Even the dyable ones, the newest dyable ones, the 20,800 one, which we have just, you know, also shown you yesterday in a reel. So you can go for those. But otherwise, aap ye dekhoge, oh, look at here that silk. Same. Now this is also the same price point, which is 5,800 per meter, which is basically 14,500. अच्छा, इनमें किसी में भी अगर आप plain चिनिया bottom add करते हैं, the way I'm wearing, of course we will do it color match, तो उसका जो total होता है 2.5 मीटर कुर्ते का और 2.5 मीटर plain bottom का, उसका जो total होएगा वो होगा 14,500 plus 5,625. So 20,125 में आपके पास एक बहुत बढ़िया silk ka kurta, and this is a karwa weave. You will see different kinds of weaves along with the plain silk matching bottom. Now when you're wearing this, you could be doing green bottom, like look at this, so fabulous. And all of this again the same price point. So you're looking for a really nice kurta and a bottom that will work. And now look at that, such deep colors, light colors, bright colors, all of them for you in this light. Now here you go. I love these colors and silk hair. So you know, you do a tissue dupatta. If you've not seen our tissue dupatta, it is 8,800 with the tassels, the beautiful gold tissue dupatta, which is now finally made again, you know. So it was completely sold out and now it's made again, so it's going to be in stock. I don't have it to show it to you, but yes, wo hai hamare paas. Now my thing is that those gold tissue dupattas will work so well with each one of these. Okay, so this is on the price range of 5,800 and so many of these with karwa, jal, you know, you can pick up any one that you like. Just fabulous, nice silk kurtas to be wearing anytime, but especially this time. Do a gold tissue dupatta, do a heavier dupatta, surely if that's what you want. But yes, generally the whole look is about wearing a nice kurta, nice silk pants, and you are done. Now, you may have seen me wearing this fabric yesterday in the reel that we launched. There you go. This is the same fabric that we have. We have shown it with even a dupatta, which is a wonderful tulip dupatta. Now, this is going to be 19,500 for 2.5 meters. Now, look at the fabulous karwa work. Aram design mein hai, so it's diagonal. You have a reference, style reference to see the video, so do make sure that you've seen it. I think it looks absolutely amazing. Now we're going on to this range of fabric, which is basically 7,800, which comes out to be 19,500. And this one, one of our favorites, and here it is that you are seeing it. Look at that, it's beautiful. This is very unique color. It's a like a Coca-Cola color. That's what it used to be referred to as, the old reference. But a very unique, distinct combination of black and red, which is why it gives you this very beautiful color. Up now, when you're wearing something as smart, as wonderfully colorful, just the right amount, it really is about the kurta. So maybe you have a pink bottom to wear with it. Maybe you're going to do a little A-line kurta. जब आप A-line करें motif designs में, then you do it in one piece वाला look, okay? Don't cut it. इतना beautiful है कि you want to emphasize on the look of the fabric. That's what you're going to try to do. It is the last live of the week. We've shown you some fabulous options, okay? All of this week. In fact, we started out with very premium and superb pieces on Monday. That was a live. And then today we are going to be doing premium cotton, which we have already done in a live, and the silk. And then we're done. We've shown you all that we had to show. And now for you to pick up your favorite looks, okay? So now look at that. And along with it, so this fabric, so lovely. In fact, मैंने इसके साथ एक Georgette very premium दुपट्टे की भी pairing की है, and it's in one of the videos, short videos. You can see it on a page, and which looks amazing. The last color for this is this. So this is a maroonish color. There was that brownish tone, and then there was a blue. All of them have their unique meenas. All of them will be really nice as a straight long nice kurta. अच्छा, वो straight nice long kurta करना है आपको थोड़ा, you want to do कली, हल्का सा कलीदार short kurta. You want to do long sleeves full kurta. Okay, all of that is there in one reel, which we launched yesterday, showcasing our different kurta looks. Okay, so all of that was there. Make sure you've seen it. If you've not seen it, just ask us. We'll share the reel with you. You can see कि यही हमारे जो ब्यूटीफुल बनारसी नीव फैब्रिक्स हैं, उनको कितनी स्टाइल्स में आप ड्रेस अप कर सकते हो. नाउ लुक एट दैट, दैट्स अ वंडरफुल वन. This is a pastel brocade. This is 7,800. We're still on the same price point, 19,500 for this. And here it is. Yes, you can just WhatsApp us and just know all the details that is there to it. Okay, so you can all check all of that. Come on WhatsApp, take a screenshot and just go for it. Go for it. Remember that we do ship worldwide. It is such an amazing chance for you to just say that यार मैं एक 2.5 मीटर का कुर्ता है वो I want to try from Neev and I want to see how it works. So you can just do that. What a fabulous peach color. In fact, we have a very wonderful 26,800 ka dupatta with it, which looks really good. And this mauve, I love the mauve and white. So yeah, there you go. Now we're going to go on to this. Okay, I'm going to show you now. Thoda maine katan dikhaya hai. I'm switching the tracks a bit and I'm going to show you some Munga silk fabrics, and each one very different, very nice, very lovely. Can I get that one? I'll give you the price. This one. Now look at this fabulous kurta. Okay, so we have changed track now. This is 12,000 for 2.5 meter. So this is a lovely. Oh, look at the color. Look at the joy it kind of brings. So yes, we are doing katan, but resham. Okay, not a speck of zari in this one. With a light Munga dupatta. This dupatta is 7,400. This fabric is 4,800 per meter, which makes it 12,000. You have the most wonderful look to go along with. Okay, now this one is a premium one. Now this is a very pretty multi-meena fabric. This comes out to be 19,500 for 2.5 meter. And just look at the gorgeousness. Okay, again, not a speck of zari, but so amazing in all of this. With it, I have just the perfect dupatta, and this is our Georgette dupatta, the 18,800 one. Look how amazing it is. I think it's just so formal, but so nice in such a fun way, and all of this that you're seeing. अब यही fabric मैं आपको, I'm also going to be showing it to you in the natural color. that you can be going and like getting it in any color, or you could decide to keep it natural, because when you're wearing it natural, then there's always so much more possibility of matching your dupattas. Like if that's what you're saying, if you're saying, yeah, I want just one nice look and that's it, I'm not going to really kind of re-wearing a dupatta, then yeah, get it dyed, wear it like this, and it's always good to have options. So yeah, that's also a great way. Now there you go, this is a black and a stunning black. So this is a Munga silk. This is again from the 12,000 range for 2.5 meter, and I think it's absolutely amazing that you can go for something like this. Okay, now I'm going to do something which is going to be jal, and then I'm going to go and move on to the bootas. Okay, first things first, let's show you this. Some really nice fabric. Oh my god, look at that stunning color and weave. This is going to be 17,000 for 2.5 meter, which means that it is 6,800 per meter. Okay, let's show you the fabulous colors. Now this one first I'm going to show you with the Meenas. So these two are with the Meenas, and then I'm going to show you without just the zari color. But this, I say, so amazing. Just check out the depth of the color. So when you're wearing a nice long kurta, plain bottom, your worries are done with, because kuch aur aapko karne ki zarurat nahi. Just carry some really nice accessories, wear a tissue dupatta, complete your look, all within a price, but so beautiful. Like this one, let's do a 8,800 dupatta with this. So this is 8,000. Like what is this price? This is how much? 68. So 17,000 for the 2.5 meter kurta, plain bottom 5,625. Okay, and then an 8,800 tissue dupatta with tassels. Okay, and I'm telling you 31,425. It will be amazing. Bottom कैसा होएगा? ये चिनिया bottom है. It'll be dyed. Okay, so that will be dyed, and the tissue dupatta, yeah, we'll show you a picture of it. How our very popular tissue dupatta looks like. Now this is without the Meena. This is just like a lovely jal fabric. This is 14,500. So this is more about, this is a jal gold single color, and you can see it. So you have a choice. You can either go for the Meena Kari ones, you can go for just this. Yeah, let's do all of these colors, and both will be fabulous in a very different way. Unka look, you know, it's right there for you to see how amazing and how different it is. There you go. Oh, such a lovely one. Now this is a great piece to be wearing so many different colors. Like you can do many looks with it. Nice deep maroon color. Okay, another fabric that it does exceedingly well for us is our Katan silk Boota fabric. Okay, now this. Okay, you have also seen a peek of this yesterday. In one of our reels, I think there's a poster which is there. Yes, all of these are fabrics are available with us in our studio. So yes, you can possibly wherever आप जहाँ से भी आप सोच सकते हैं, आप हमें order कर सकते हैं, and we will get it to you. Okay, COD, cash on delivery, available all over India, all over India. If you're in Mumbai, we can hand deliver it to you. Of course, they have a price point above which they will bring it to you. But our people will come to you and bring your package along with them. You can pay them in cash. And bahar, जब आप इंडिया के बाहर से कहीं भी, you know, you're placing an order, it is the most convenient thing. आपने वीडियो में देखा, स्क्रीनशॉट लिया, भेजा नंबर पे, सारी डिटेल्स उसकी जानी, फोटो ली, वीडियो ली, प्राइस, मीटर, फैब्रिक, सब कुछ. Okay, then you say give me a payment link. We will give it to you either in INR if you want that, or USD, AUD, AED, CAD. You know, I mean, there's so many different currencies. Just, you know, you can work around with. We'll give it to you in that, whatever works for you. And bank transfer is always available. So I'm just telling you the facts. You know, we use DHL to ship worldwide, Blue Dart in India. So those are our partner, the very best that you can have. I mean, from the fabric itself, for the design, for the entire experience that you want, you will only get the best when you're here. Now, what a fabulous color, okay? 17,000, 5,625 mein bottom add kare, 8,800 ka tissue dupatta add kare, and it's perfection. But you say, yaar, I don't want all of that. I just want a nice kurta, which I'm going to wear with even plain silk bottom. You know, that's all that I'm looking for. Fabulous. It will look amazing. You cannot, oh, what a color, look at that. अल्ट्रा स्मार्ट. नाउ इसका जो लुक है कैसा ये दिखता है, आप ये हमें मांग सकते हैं स्टाइल गाइड एंड वील शो यू, because I styled this just as a nice kurta with a plain matching chinya bottom and it looks fabulous. Yes, in May of course there's always that requirement that you need to kind of go for same on same. It just kind of makes it look a little better. These pieces look a little better when you're doing a same on same, so that's always there. Now here you go, this wonderful fabric, and this is all kadwa that you're seeing, so this is also all kadwa. Now the last few colors of this is a really nice ice blue. You can see it here. There you go, a wonderful ice blue color that you can see, and I think it looks absolutely amazing. It's there, and one or two more that, and a brown that you cannot go wrong with, and the very last one, there's a peach. So okay, so these two beautiful colors, pick up any, get your kurta, get your favorite kurta. These are 6,800 per meter. Go with the plain chinya bottom. Look at this, a very spring summer color for all the weddings that you're going to go for, and for all the occasions that you want to look something nice and different. This is your piece for you. Okay, so really good. Brown, ever popular, which looks really good, very versatile. इस साल का color of the year है, so even more reason for you to kind of go for it. Okay, let's go for some wonderful from the Buta fabrics. We are again moving on to the Jal fabrics, and like this one is again, the 17,000 range, and this is great for same on same. Two-tone color है, तो अगर आप चाहें तो of course you can do that. Can I get this one with it? Yeah, this fabric. I want to show you. I'm just checking something. Yes, it will look very pretty as well if you go for this and this. Each one of these 6,800 per meter. I think it looks absolutely amazing. Rare होता है इतना perfect मिलना, but it is there for you. Okay. Now there you go. Another one. This is also a jal one. The same pink में. This is a two-tone orange, and it's very pretty. So now look at that. So you add this, you wear this, and it just starts to look so classy, so fun, so different, so that's the whole joy of it. This one, तो ये है इसके दो fabric options. Okay, we're almost about ending. We've shown you so much. We're going to keep alternating between jal fabrics, which will give you that really dressy heavy look. We will keep the light ones as well, so both of those are going to be there. Now here you go, another shade. This is a burnt orange shade, and so very pretty. It's the same price range that we are on, which is what, 19,000? Okay, 17,000. So this is all 17,000 for 2.5 meter, 6,800 per meter, and look at that, all natural light. So जो आप देख रहे हैं exactly ऐसे ही दिखता है. And I'm going to go on to another one, which is this. Look at, so fresh. Each color has its own charm. This one is all about that freshness of the season. So yes, this is this is pure Katan silk, and when you're wearing the pure fabrics, then all season is the time for it. The only thing that you are going to be trying to look is that suitability of colors, of occasions that will work well. Now a very wonderfully bold design that I have, and I have this in this two colors, and I think it's so bright and so striking in just the right way. Look at that, the Sona Rupa, just that touch of Rupa which makes it extra fun. Can I get the red? That red is is it the same red? Yeah, I want to try something. I always kind of try to keep building things which we can do. I'm just seeing, oh yeah, it is actually the same red. I wanted to just show it to you how it would look if you would wear designs together, pants and bottom. Really fun. What a perfect red look. Now you go for a plain bottom, sure, you go for a fine, like a dressy bottom, also really, really good. So मुझे just दिखाना था. In fact, show me this pink, because that pink is going to go very well with this. Now I'll tell you exactly why. First things first, आपकी design देखें, and now let's show you the pink and see how amazing it looks. So you have a combination of this ultra cool stripe pants and the silk fabric. इसमें touch of purple and green है, the motif. It's really small and very delicate. So that's going to be a look. Honestly, when you're wearing this, the whole look is about these two fabrics. Dupatta is an option. I mean, coming from me, I make the finest dupattas, the broadest range of collection. Okay, that's my specialty. I do that. But jahan nahi zarurat hai, where I think you can skip it, I will always tell you, you know, because that's what you can expect always from us. The honest, good advice that makes it, you know, really easy for you to shop from WhatsApp. Oh, look at that. What a classy combination. Now again, I'm giving you options for kurta bottom. क्योंकि ये जस्ट कुर्ता का आज पूरा थीम चल रहा है हमारा. Today is live. We have done one already at 10 a.m. It started, which was on cottons and premium cottons. Now this one is a silk one that we are doing. Yeah, so we're doing the silk one. Now all of these like nice last cuts and some things that you're going for and something that you're building on. But iske saath I think it'll look better. I'm going to do it with that. This I'm just going to show. I am just, you know, always trying to do something. So this is 19,500 for a 2.5 meter cut. Okay, this fabulous color that we've made, and yes, we've made a lot of it so that you can actually get the exact piece. Oh, what a color. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Look at that feel effect. I think it looks amazing. I'm just going to try something and see कि इस पे चलता है क्या, अच्छा लगेगा. I think it looks really nice. In fact, like look at this dotted design fabric and
17,000, 22,000.
Okay, so this one is 17,000 for 2.5 meter, which means it's 6,800. This is one of our premium fabrics. Okay, so this one is also, you can get this. I think this is, you can see this really beautiful design. Okay, and now what's special? Look at the back, totally clean. Now, yes, it's going to be slightly expensive for your bottoms, but again, if you have a bottom like this, you know, kya keh raha, you know, you can be doing so many looks. Surely go just for this. It's such a nice one. Go for a combination. Go for just this. There are all of those combinations and permutations that you can be doing. Okay, this one. So this is, okay, now we've come to the point where 9,500 for 2.5 meter. Like just fabulous fabrics that you have. And another one, now look at that. Such nice options. एक बार मुझे pink दिखाएं आप, please. Yes, now I want to show you that you can wear one neutral and one dark color. These are all 9,500 for 2.5 meter. That's the price that we are at right now. This one in an antique zari. And yeah, we can try this. This is a really nice one. It's going to look really stunning. This is 5,200 per meter. This fabric, the one that I have in hand, this is 3,800 per meter. Wear them together. Looks great. So yeah, this is 13,000 for 2.5 meter. Of course, you can just take this or you can take a combination. Both options always possible. Again, 9,500 for 2.5 meter. Looks great. Feels great. Katan silk. Now we're coming back to two pieces which are the 17,000 for 2.5 meter, which is a black. And can I get this, like two colors, so neutral, so beautiful. Look at that. Look at the motifs, both at that price point. And very nice. Okay, just stunning motifs, Sona Rupa, Karwa weave, and all excellent. Now this one, this is 3,800 per meter. In this, the design goes like this. Okay, so you'll have to make it, Ara. It's great for an anarkali or a lehenga. It's going to be amazing for that. So I'm going to show it to you. This is how the design is. Okay, some other fabrics that we just kind of enjoy showing it to you. 4,800 per meter. Okay, so this one is a Kora. Look at that. It's a more on a silver zari. So many pieces for you in this range today, from 12,000 for 2.5 meter to about, I think at the top it was some 22,000. That's the whole range. Make a plain bottom with it. You're done. You're perfect. Okay, now this one is a very special fabric. Probably you have seen me style it. If not, you know, yes, just ask us. We'll send you one picture. Style guides are coming to you as a part of every I think order above 50,000. So that's where you're getting the style guides. For anarkali, you will need 5. Okay, we also announced that you will be getting free, like those bags, cloth bags with every dupatta above 5,800. Now after that, we've had so many dupattas. coming in as orders that our bags are actually getting over. So in case you don't see it in this order, remember we will send it to you. Piche piche ban rahe hain, aa jayenge. So that's also the fun that, you know, suddenly you see value that, you know, I order a dupatta even of 10,000, I get the whole experience of Neev, and that's what we're trying to give it to you, and so that it makes you feel good and your best. So that's always what we want. Now 4,800 for this fabric. It's really nice for your lehenga and blouse. 5 meters you can take for 24,000, and you know, if you add 1 more meter, so it's still about 30,000 and under. You have 6 meters of this. It's a classic one. Wear any fabric and dupatta with it, it will always look good. Remember, we've shown you our latest designs in this, okay, and I'm going to show it to you like this beautiful fabric dupatta. I started out with the colors in Kattan silk. It's just fabulous. Look at that. You can be wearing it with a black, jet black look. You could be doing it with a white, the way I'm doing it. And one more dupatta, of course, and that's it. The last live of this week is done. We have shown you cottons, and so, okay, now I'm going to be honest. It's a very lovely dupatta. I've been thinking to wear it and show it to you on a black. For this, I'm always going for, you know, a black look. I will always go for a black, not a white. Now this shade of this dupatta is pure white. What I'm wearing is ivory. It's going to be versatile with many looks, so you should go for it. It's 14,500 for 2.5 meter and a plain chinia bottom, and you're like set. This is white. Wear this wonderful dupatta on black. Hope you enjoy our newest segment, Just a Kurta, you know, from today's live, 2 lives, and we have left you with everything that you want to see. So go pick out your best ones. Remember, each one that you see, very, very limited. So the idea is that, the idea is that you should go pick your favorite look now and place your order on WhatsApp. We deliver worldwide, cash on delivery in India. Have a great remaining of the week. We will now see you only next week because there's so much to pick up from. So go do it now. Thank you, and I will see you really soon. Just a Kurta. Hope you have loved and liked our newest segment and the